Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Warning: to avoid personal injury and damage to the product, use extreme care not to puncture, twist, or crack the battery. An internal puncture or rupture to the battery has the potential to cause a short, which may result in a thermal event. Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly. Removal. Carefully disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Importance: make careful note of the routing of the display panel and POGO pin cables for later replacement. Remove the 6 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the battery to the display enclosure. While supporting the battery with both hands, carefully lift it off of the alignment pins on the display enclosure and remove. Replacement. While supporting the battery with both hands, place the battery onto its alignment pins on the display enclosure. Caution: ensure that the display panel and POGO pin cables are free from being pinched between the battery and display enclosure. Replace the 6 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the battery to the display enclosure. Connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.